Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Spain News Network. It's 9 p.m. bulletin. The families agreed to hold Asetis for 6 days and bury him last night after negotiations. Before the Prime Minister reached Quetta, the martyrs were buried in the Hazara Cemetery in Quetta. Qasim Suri, Ali Zulfi Bukhari and Zia Logo at their funeral. Prime Minister Imran Khan has said that 30 to 40 people are committed in terrorism. We have a program against them and action will be taken against them. Imran Khan said that being the Prime Minister is a big responsibility. That is why I told the Hazara community that you will join your grief in burying the martyrs. The Prime Minister told the families of martyrs that they would be taken care of. The relatives of the martyrs said that they were promised earlier but it was not fulfilled. This is not the first incident with the Hazara community. This has happened many times before. Rupees 1.5 million has been received by the families from the provincial government. Ahsan Iqbal said that if the Prime Minister arrived after pursuing his stubborn, then what happened? The people have seen his brutal face. Indonesians Boeing 737 goes missing after takeoff with 60 people on board. The Shah Mahmood Qureshi frigate over Indonesian planes crashed. The federal government has taken a major decision regarding the Karachi Circular Railway project. Karachi transformations worth Rs 739 billion. Two major changes have been made in. After the last few days, sugar floor, the prices are still rising. The prices control is not visible at all. Coronavirus's death toll rises to 80,000 in UK, 59,937 more confirmed cases in 24 hours. Corona has so far affected more than 3 million people and killed 80,808. 4 robbers arrested in protest demonstrations in Islamabad between police and doctors. Heavy fog closed motorway M4 from Shahkot to Shorkot.